ePrime 2.0 Professional offers a way to customize the default settings for the objects in the toolbox. This is called Toolbox Defaults. To access it in any experiment, you would right-click in the toolbox here to go to Toolbox Defaults. And here you will see many objects and slide sub-objects are listed. This is where you can configure each one to have whatever settings that you prefer. So with the new production release of ePrime 2.0, we have objects height and width set to 75% by default. This is to allow for better timing because it means that less of the screen has to be overwritten every time you want to update it. However, if you prefer to have these height and width settings set to 100% for all of your objects, you would edit them here. So in this case, instead of 75, I'd have 100. I could save that. And then anytime I open up a text display here, if I go to the Frame tab, you'll see that the height is now 100%. This has only applied after the toolbox defaults have been set for this particular object. Now, if you wanted to make a lot of changes for a lot of experiments, or maybe for everyone in your lab, you could import the toolbox default from another experiment into your experiment. So in this case, I'm just going to import another experiment where I've already gone through all of the objects and set the height and the width to 100%. So when that's saved, you can see that when I open up a new text display here, and I go to the Frame tab, that now both of them are set to 100%.